Hi, I'm Tim Oxford from Atlanta, Georgia. I love being able to come up with an idea out of nothing and build something exactly the way I want it. Some of the things I've built is this big outdoor movie theater. I've built a grilling station, planter boxes, outdoor chairs, and our kitchen table.
Today, I'm going to be taking on a new project.
What I'm going to be building is a canopy bed. It's going to be in a rustic farmhouse style. It's going to have 4 posts, and it's going to be done in an antique white finish. This is something that I'm going to look at every day when I wake up and when I go to bed.
So it's really important to make this bed great. All right, let's get started. The bed is going to be built in 4 parts: the headboard, the sideboards and mattress support, the footboard, and finally the canopy. I'll do the footboard first.
First cut we're going to make is going to be the end post on the footboard. We're going to make 2 cuts at 21 inches.
Now I will work on building the front panel of the footboard. I'll cut 2 long 1x4 pieces for the top and bottom of the panel, and a lot of shorter pieces for the face. Next, I'll line up all my slats for the front panel. But while building out our panel, I hit a little snag.
We're off on this one little board by about 1/4 of an inch, so we're going to go ahead and cut this on the table saw to make it fit.
All good, now it fits perfectly. I'll attach it all together using some glue and secure everything by hammering in some nails. With the front panel of the footboard complete, I attach it to my 4x4 supports.
So this 4x4 is going to be the height of our foot post. We're going to put these 2x2 cleats on the board, but we're going to leave space for a 2x4 for the bracing.
And then cap it with a 2x4 to hide my board edges.
Right now I'm going to take this 2x6 and we're going to place it on top of the 2x4 to give it a layered, more country look to the bed.
And the structure of my footboard is complete. The headboard is just like the footboard, except it's a little bit larger. I'll be cutting the front panels out of 1x4s just like I did for the footboard.
So we have 11 identical cuts to make, so to speed this process up a little bit, we're going to take 2 boards, cut them at the same time. We've set our bumper plate here at the end to the right measurement.
In no time, I've got all my panels cut. Just like on the footboard, I need to attach the cleats. Then, I'll build out the frame for the front panel. And Daisy decides to hang out while I glue everything together. With my last board on, I'll hammer in some nails. Now with my wife holding the headboard upright, I'll attach the post to the frame. It's time to place on my caps.
We're going to do that by first placing a 2x4 on here. Another top cap on that is a 2x6 on top of the 2x4.
My canopy will be made from more 4x4s, with 2x4s joining them together at the top. I'm making the sideboards from 2 wide 1x10s and the mattress from a bunch of short cuts of 2x4s.
This is what's going to keep our mattress up and keep it comfortable. We're going to be making 20 cuts at 32 inches, so I've got my bump stopped to where we can really get through this.
After a few minutes on the chop saw, everything is finally cut. With the headboard, footboard, and sideboards complete, I'm going to sand everything down to get it ready for finishing. This is where the orbital sander really comes in handy. Everything's finally smooth. In our next video, we'll apply the finish to each of these pieces and bring it up to my bedroom where I'll do the final assembly. See you next time.